Making a delicious homemade beef burger is fairly simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare juicy, flavorful beef burgers from scratch. Ingredients for 4 burgers. 1 pound 450 grams ground beef, preferably 80% lean. 20% fat for juicy burgers. 1 small onion, finely chopped, optional to cloves, garlic, minced, optional, salt and pepper to taste. 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce, optional but adds great flavor. Burger buns for cheese slices, optional, for example, cheddar, American, or your choice toppings, lettuce, tomato slices, pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayo, etc. Instructions. 1. Prepare the burger patties. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, finely chopped onion if using, minced garlic if using, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix gently using your hands or a spoon. Avoid overmixing, as that can make the patties tough. Divide the beef mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties. Press a slight indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up. 2. Preheat your grill or pan. Grill. Heat your grill to medium-high heat. Stovetop. Heat a cast iron skillet or non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add a little oil to prevent sticking. 3. Cook the patties. Grilling. Place the patties on the preheated grill. Grill for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness, around 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius for medium well. If adding cheese, place a slice on top of the patty during the last minute of cooking to melt. Pan frying. Place the patties in the hot skillet. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your preferred level of doneness. Add cheese at the end if desired. 4. Toast the buns. While the patties cook, toast the burger buns on the grill or in a pan for 1 to 2 minutes until lightly golden. This adds flavor and helps the buns hold up against the juices from the beef. 5. Assemble the burgers. Place each patty on the bottom half of a toasted bun. Add your preferred toppings, lettuce, tomato slices, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, mayo, etc. Top with the other half of the bun. 6. Serve and enjoy. Serve the burgers hot with a side of fries, chips, or a salad. Tips for the best beef burgers. Fat content. Choose ground beef with a higher fat content, around 80-20 tips for juicy, flavorful burgers. If you use lean beef, the burgers may turn out dry. Don't overwork the meat. Mix just enough to combine the ingredients. Overworking the meat will make the burgers tough. Rest the patties. Let the patties rest for a couple of minutes after cooking. This helps retain the juices. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new recipe. See you in the next one.